Opening a coffee shop on a $3,000 budget. Who's crazy enough to do it? We are. And today we're gonna buy an espresso machine. Subscribe to this channel if you've ever wondered what it takes to open a coffee shop with zero experience. If you love coffee or you just want to see a couple of underdogs win at building their dream. Armed with only ChatGPT and Facebook Marketplace, I'm gonna teach you how to buy your first espresso machine. Come learn with me. And if you stay till the end, I'm gonna tell you exactly how much I paid for it. You're gonna make one cup, right?
Yeah.
Of coffee?
Yeah, I make coffee. Open here. So you inside, you put okay. Okay. อันนี้slowly เนาะ Okay. I have training for make coffee and testing anything free. Yeah. Good machine. อันนี้ steam. Okay. High pressure, green.
Okay.
You have connect here water, big bottle. Sometimes you put here water go down for here. Connect for home.
Okay.
Before I make shape,
Oh. Okay.
executive shape. I have for you นะ from I show you. อันนี้ recipe. I have maintenance for you ก็คือ inside.
Okay.
For you same. อันนี้คือ cleaning. Machine good. Bean coffee good. User good. Clean together. Good for drink coffee. You have cut easy. You come to me. You learning for make coffee machine. Learning for use coffee machine. For recipe. About skill over นะ and I have warranty for you 2 months problem anything free
Okay.
free 2 months นะว่าจะเป็น part engineer repair free learning in the YouTube cannot I have a restaurant Italian okay when you come to me about up to you no problem I can keep I have warranty. Problem anything free.
Do you like Nuova Simonelli? Did we do a good job with such a small budget? Did you learn something today? And that, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly how you safely buy a second-hand espresso machine using ChatGPT on Facebook Marketplace. Leave in the comments down below how much do you think we paid for that dual setup coffee machine and grinder. Do you think we paid $3,000 for both pieces? $2,000? $1,500? We're still a small little channel trying to make this dream come true. It would be an honor if you would send this to somebody who loves coffee so they can follow along the journey. We'll see you tomorrow when we travel cross country to go pick up that coffee machine and grinder.
Until then, stay hopeful.
Stay caffeinated, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.